Yeah, I heard that you was born to me. Yeah, I may give it far. And in the cool. Wake up. How do you like me now? Now I'm on my way. You still think I'm crazy? Standing here today. Let you love me, but I always dream about it. How do you like me now? Now I'm on my way. You still think I'm crazy? Standing here today. Gonna make you love me, but I'll give it. Tell me, baby. Hey, what do you think you're doing? Come here! Come here! Come here! Hell, I'm the only black guy around these bars.
Black people.
What is
Now. Why do you make me run so much, Joe? What? I never said 30. Okay, sorry. That's actually lying. Go first. Hey, maybe this first one have holes in the shoes.
holes in my shoes?
Big Joe, that's a hole. Big Joe, that's a hole in your shoe. Right there. That right there is a hole in your shoe.
These are $55 berries. Welcome to MTV Cribs. This is my new house. I just got this the other day, you know what I'm saying? I got my big screen television over there. It cost me $2,000. I got it on sale discount. You know, black people, we do it behind the closed door. Just got my bathroom remodeled. Take a look at it. It's so sexy. Yes, I know it is. This actually is what Fray Matana used in his 1590 Cara Se Muertora, which is Spanish for great. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Anyways, and you have our kitchen. You know, I would take out more places, but I don't have a little bit of time. You know what I mean? Let's check out what's in the fridge. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got the coffee, you know, stuff that, you know, still coffee, orange juice, tea, you know what I'm saying? You go down a little further. I don't even know what the fuck that is, but it looks nasty. And then we got some ketchup and eggs, you know, stuff. So, you know, householder stuff, you know, the black. But we do got the Bud Light in the back. You know what I'm saying? We got to have a little bit of that all the time. We got a little special cool out there for that. We got the pantry. I don't even want to go in that shit. Anyways, we got the Bosta Del Mars, you know what I mean? They're like bootlegged coasters, but we don't judge. As far as that goes, I guess that's it. Thank you for getting the grand tour of my place. I would take you to the Grandmaster Suite bedroom, but at the same time, that is not my department. You know what I'm saying? I sleep on the couch. This ain't even my house, motherfucker. All right.